म्हजें घर हिंगाचें आहा लागींच जे जाग्यार आमी उबी आहाय हे घरा फाटल्यान म्हगे घर आहा आनी हांव कंप्लिटली लँडलॉक्ड आसा. म्हाका एक रिक्षा हाडूंक मेळना घरा कडेन. होच जागो रिक्षा हाडपाची. एक रिक्षा हाडूंक जाता, एक 2 व्हिलर येता, ॲम्ब्युलन्स येयना, एक गार्बेज व्हॅन येयना, एक गॅस सिलिंडर व्हॅन येयना, एक फायर ब्रिगेड येयना. पूण ही रिक्षाय हाडटा तो रस्तो बंद केलो जाल्यार आमी हुंयच्यान वयतलीं दुयेंत जाल्यार. एक रिक्षा वयता हे सायडीक, ती रिक्षा तो येयना जाल्यार फाल्यां रेल्वे म्हणटा आमी बॅरिकेड घाताय. बॅरिकेड घाल्यार आमी कितको वयतलीं दोतोरागेर. दोतोर येवपा जायना हिंगा. पावसा आमकां इतके त्रास जाताय. पावसा हिंग उदका लोट वयताय. तरी आसा आमी तेशी ते लोटांतल्यान चलोन वयताय. आनी आतां रेल्वेन तो बंद केलो जाल्यार आम केसो हाल जातले. Yesterday we had gone to see the collector and madam has just told you all what she has explained to us. Now I have got no exit to the way. So the government should provide for me something. Either the collector should see that I should have a way, either by anything, any transport, whatever she available. even she can keep a helicopter there for me to go on the road. Because I'm 75 now, and my husband just expired. We used to take him on the stretcher over the track. Rainy season, we used to put plastic over the body and take him over the track every time with a stretcher, because there's no exit at all. If I go backside, I fall in the sea. So please, I'm requesting the government to make some provision for me, as I've told.
आम्ही या घरा आदले घर पोर्चुगीज कदंबा एरा घराचे कंपाउंडा भितर आसा आणि भायर तेंच्यांनी आपली माती उडयला. आता ही लँडलॉक झाली. एक दुसऱ्याची गजाल आसा, आयज हे काम पळय आसा हे पळय इलिगल चल्लेलें आसा. कित्याक हिंगा लँड एक्विजिशन जावना, भाडकाराचे या ओनराची एनओसी घेवंक ना, काय नासतना एक काम चालू आसा. पंचायतीन स्टॉप वर्क नोटीसूय काडलेले आसा. फ्लाइंग स्क्वॉडूय येयलेलो आसा, मामलादारूय येयलेलो आसा, कलेक्टरूय येयलेलो आसा. पण तोरी पासून हे बायपास करून, हे ऑथॉरिटीजा बायपास करून, ओव्हर रूल करून हे काम चालू जाल्लें आसा. सो आमी पयलींच्यान सांगता की हे डबल ट्रेकिंगाचें काम पयलींच्यान जे स्टार्ट जाल्लें तेन्नाच्यानूच इलिगल जाल्लें. आयज तेंच्यांनी जबरदस्ती लँड एक्विजिशन केलें थोड्या एरियांनी, पयशे डिपॉझिट केले, पण लँड ओनरांनी घेवना. सो जेन्ना घेवना तेन्ना काम तुमी स्टार्ट करपाक शकना. आनी हिंगा तरी एक्विजिशनूय जावना. पूण हे चल्लां कितें? हे सरकारान हे आयज इलिगली जो कोणाच्या भाटान जर काम करपाक शकता जाल्यार हे सगळे एन्क्रोचर्स ऑफ गोंयांत जे एन्क्रोचमेंट चालू जालेले आसा हे आयज आनी डबलान वाडटले. सगळे जाण एन्क्रोच करतले लोकांच्या भाटान आनी बांदतले घरां आनी बिल्डिंगां. पूण हे चल्लां कितें? हिंगा कायदो ना, कानून ना. सो हांव सरकाराक मागता की हे पळय चल्लां ती इलिगली बंद करचें आनी कायद्या भितर कितें आहा सगळे प्रोसिजर पास कायद्या भितर आहा कायदो पाडचो म्हणून सरकाराक हांव मागता.
लोकांक एक्सेस फाल्यां बंद जाल्यार लोकांची मागणी कितें? आमची एक्सेस
हय तेच म्हणटा हांव. आतां लोकांची सगळी एक्सेस तुमी बंद करतले, व्हायब्रेशनाक लागून घरां कोसळोन वयतले, कोल ट्रान्सपोर्टेशन करून लोकांची पुलमां काबार जातली, कोल पोल्युशनाक लागून आयज झाडां पेडां शेतां आयज पिड्यार जालेलीं आसा. सो आयज तुमी हे लोकांक कितें करपाक सोदता? आमकां सारकेंच काबार करपाक सोदता वो आमकां हावज अरेस्ट करून दवरपाक सोदता? सो हांव सरकाराक मागता की हे पयले आमचे जे हे आदलेचे वाट येव एक्चुअली हे पयले लोकांचे मुखार हाडा, उलोवया, हे सगळे इश्यू पयले सॉल्व करा आनी मागीर कितें आहा तुमचें करा. पूण आमी मागता सरकाराक की हे पळय डबल ट्रेकिंगाचें काम पळय आसा हें ताबडतोब बंद जावचें. कित्याक हे स्टेटाच्या हिताक ना. हे फकत एक मनशाक लागून, एक मनशाची कोल ट्रान्सपोर्ट जाता कर्नाटका, एक मनशाक लागून जर आमी आख्खे गोंय काबार करपाक सोदता जाल्यार हो सरकार आनी कित्याक जाय तर.
We all know this matter is sub judice. It's in the court. And until the court takes a decision, there is nothing that we can do. We have to wait for the court's order. But it looks like that there is no respect for law. Because while the matter is sub judice, while the matter is in the court, all these things are happening. Now you can see here a big mound of mud being dumped. How can you do that? Has the court given the go-ahead signal? Not yet. So without the court giving you the go-ahead signal, how can you start the work for laying the second track? And another important issue that I would like to bring to the notice of the government. I would like to ask the government, who are these who are living in these houses? Are they people or are they animals? And if they are people, shouldn't they be respected? Would all those in the government come and live in these houses with the trains moving up and down, with the whistles blowing throughout the night, keeping people alive? We all know what sound pollution can cause to health. We know that it is not just sound pollution, it is also coal dust pollution. We are breathing in coal dust. Day in, day out, we are breathing in coal dust. A little boy from Vasco died of cancer due to coal dust pollution. The other day, here's Fatima. She had bought fish from the market, and the lady was cleaning the fish. When she opened up the gill, there was a thick layer of black dust, and that was coal. The same happens to our lungs, and that is why we'll be having all kinds of respiratory problems, and all kinds of other ailments and diseases. Does the government care for the people of the state? Does the government care for the people that has elected it to work on its behalf? I've never seen. Our government should take a stand against this next track, the second track. Our government knows better than any other how tiny our Goa is. I think if you compare Goa to Karnataka, Karnataka is about 62 times bigger than Goa. And Karnataka has so many ports, 9 ports. So all the infrastructure needed is available in Karnataka. The coal is to be transported to Karnataka. Please, I request the government, save Goa, let the coal land in Karnataka at one of its ports. If we take the law into our hands, we'll have the police coming down upon us. And we don't want to create such situations in our state. We want the government to have a dialogue. And for this purpose, I had brought Dr. Pramod Sawant on the track. And he looked shocked to see the route of the track. He really looked shocked. I brought the Environment Minister, Nilesh Cabral. He said, "Oh my God!" And when we asked him, "Sir, what is your say on what you have seen?" He said, "Oh no, we need to sit down. We need more time to talk. I'll talk to you again. We'll fix a meeting." And he never came. What about our houses? There'll be no homes for us to live. You have just seen the house with the cracks. Surely we cannot live in houses filled with cracks and wait for the walls to crumble upon us.
Yeah.
So where do we go? It's for the government to think and decide for the sake of the people that have voted it to power.